guys! Today's video is just going to be a very simple makeup video. Mag-start na tayo. I'm gonna prep my lips using the Himalayan Herbal Lip Balm. So, the makeup that I want to do today is so ambitious that I'm not even sure kung magagawa ko siya, but like, whatever. Kasi first of all, it's a makeup design for those na yung mga monolids, like Korean eyes, yung walang double eyelids. And then, Tomato Glass Skin Booster Serum, favorite skincare. Tapos, ano pa siya? It was not even a makeup for like humans. It's a makeup created for a webtoon. I'm talking about Seo Joon dun sa True Beauty Webtoon. My God! Alam mo, ibang-iba yung parang naging takbo ng storya sa webtoon, sa K-drama ng True Beauty. I'm not even gonna say spoilers kasi baka mamaya meron silang i-include dun sa webtoon tas isasama nila sa drama mismo. Pero si Seo Joon sa webtoon is like wears makeup. And it's like a normal thing for him to wear makeup dun sa webtoon. So, meron siya mga makeup looks doon na parang, hey guys, for webtoon, pero parang ang gandang gawin. Like in real life. So, this is not a makeup transformation. I'm just gonna try to like do a makeup inspired by that. It won't be like exactly as a Seo Joon makeup kasi hindi naman ako monolid. I'm like, or hooded eyes. I'm like, I have double eyelids. So, I'll try to talk less for this video para hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Okay.
You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
So for the eyes, dito yung challenge, you guys, because monolid eyes kasi si Seo Joon, so lahat ng focus is malapit sa lash area. Well, I can't transform my eyes into like monolid eyes, but gagayahin ko na lang siguro yung mga colors na ginamit dun sa specific photo that I saw that I fell in love sa makeup. Anyway, whatever.
We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we
why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, open up our doors. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you,
Hey guys, so this is the finished look right here. It's just, you know, super duper simple, nothing too complicated. And I hope to God this is going to be a very quick video. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me as I get ready for today. And kung meron kayong mga video requests, please make sure to comment it down below. Don't forget to subscribe and then to click the bell button, right? Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!